Happy morning, children. Today English class for grade 4. In English class, in this video, we are going to see the book back exercise of this prose lesson, Alice in Wonderland. Okay, children, shall I start? Reading is fun. Here, 7 questions are there. We are going to see the answers for these 7 questions. Okay, here first one. While listening to the story, what did Alice see? Here answer for you. While listening to the story, Alice suddenly saw a white rabbit which was going somewhere hurriedly. Second one. What was different about the rabbit that Alice saw? Here answer for you. The rabbit that Alice saw different from other rabbits because of following features. Here first one. It was wearing a blue coat and a red waistcoat. Second one. It was going somewhere hurriedly. Third one. It could speak. Fourth one, it had pink eyes. Fifth one, it had a big watch. And then next, third question for you. Here, where did the rabbit go? Answer for you, the rabbit entered a deep rabbit hole. Then fourth one, how did Alice reach Wonderland? Answer for you, Alice following the strange rabbit jumped into the rabbit hole. She had a great fall into the deep rabbit hole. She fell on a heap of dry leaves and thus reached Wonderland. And then next, what strange things did Alice see? Here answer for you. In Wonderful, everything was very strange. Alice saw a very small door about 15 inches high. She saw the strange wild rabbit entering the door. It was still saying that it is getting late. Alice further saw a glass table on which a golden key was lying. She opened the lock with the golden key. And then next question for you. Here, describe in your own words the garden that Alice saw. Here answer for you. Alice saw the most beautiful garden from the doorway. It was filled with different colors of beautiful flowers. There was also a cool fountain inside, which sprinkled fresh and cool water. Here, seventh one, draw the garden of your dreams. Here, this space for you. You want to draw a garden of your dream. Here, next one, tick the correct answer. Here, the rabbit had white eyes, big eyes, pink eyes. Here, correct answer is pink eyes. The next one, who was burning with curiosity? Alice, the rabbit, children. Correct answer is Alice. The next one, who fell down and down and down? Alice, a mouse, the rabbit. Correct answer is the rabbit. And then next, who said, oh my ears and whiskers, how late it's getting? The rabbit, Alice, Alice's sister. So here the rabbit. These words said by the rabbit. Okay, and then next, the garden Alice saw was big, lovely, small. Here correct answer is lovely. Dear children, mark it neatly. Okay. Next, let's start. Here 4 questions are there. We are going to see the answers for these 4 questions. Okay, children. Here, describe some of the sounds you hear at night. Here answer for you. During night, strange sounds of owl's call, blowing wind, and night watchman's whistles are heard. They sometimes are horrifying. And then ninth one, imagine you are Alice and your partner is a rabbit. What would you do? Here answer for you. If I were Alice and my partner were a rabbit, I would do exactly what Alice did. That is, I would follow my partner to the Wonderland. So this is a sample answer for you, Kanna. Okay, wow. You want to write your own answers here. Okay. And then next question for you. What do you think Alice saw in the garden? Answer for you. Alice saw beautiful flowers, fountains, and a good scenery in the garden. She also felt the pleasant fragrance of colorful flowers. Then 11th one. Here next question for you. How would Alice have got into the garden? Answer for you. If Alice could become smaller, she would have got into the garden. Okay. And then next, let's write. Here, first one, find one word from the story that means. Here, to walk fast. H for hurried. And then to think. W for wondered. Next, happy. D for delight. Then, next, to be seen nowhere. D for disappeared. At once. Q for quickly. Then next, to be inquisitive. C for curious. And then move fast. S for scamper. Next, give another word for the ones given below with similar meanings and make sentences. Make sentences with each of the opposites of these describing words and make sentences with them. Here, these are describing words. Okay, we are going to write the opposite words for this and also sentences. Here, lovely. It opposite word, ugly. I am not ugly. Then talking, opposite word, quiet. Please keep quiet. Listening, speaking. Let me speak. See, ignore. She ignored me. Center, outside. Do not go outside. Okay. Next, imagine you are going on a journey to the center of the earth. What do you think you will see? What would you feel? Dear children, you want to write your own answers here, but I have given for you sample answers. Okay, write neatly. Then, first one, in the beginning, I would see rocks, dust, soil, water, and mud. Then, second one, a little deeper, I would see solid rocks. Then, third one, at the center of the earth, I would see red hot core which will have thousands degrees of temperature. Then, fourth one, with the increasing depth, the temperature of the interior of earth would increase. And then, second exercise for you. Next. Alice follows the strange rabbit because she wants to know a number of things. Rearrange the words to make the questions that Alice has in her mind and put a question mark. Here first one, talk rabbit, yeah, how can? Answer for you, how can a rabbit talk? The next be, going he is where? Answer for you, where is he going? Then C, read he can time the. Answer for you, can he read the time? Then D, hurry is in a why he. Answer for you, why is he in a hurry? Then next exercise for you. Here worksheet 8 from your English practice book. Okay. Here exercise A, answer the following questions. Here 4 questions are there. We are going to see the answers for these 4 questions. Okay. Here first one, what was Alice doing when she saw the white rabbit? Then second one, describe the white rabbit's dress. Then third one, why did Alice think the rabbit was strange? Then fourth one, oh my ears and whiskers, how late it's getting. Who said this to whom? What was he doing? Here answers for you. Here first one, Alice was lying under a tree listening to her sister reading a story when she saw the white rabbit. Then second one, the white rabbit wore a blue coat, a red waistcoat and carried a watch. Then third one, Alice thought the rabbit strange because she had never seen one wearing a waistcoat or carrying a watch and talking. Then fourth one, this was said by the white rabbit talking to himself. He was looking at his watch. And then next, fill in the blanks for you. Exercise B, filling the blanks. Here, first one, the white rabbit took a big watch out of his waistcoat pocket. Okay, here answer is waistcoat. Then second one, Alice thought there was something different about the rabbit. Here answer is different. Then third one, Alice was burning with curiosity. Here answer is burning. Then fourth one, the white rabbit disappeared down a rabbit hole. Here answer is disappeared. Then fifth one, she looked into the loveliest garden she had seen. Then answer is loveliest. Okay, children, write neatly. Okay, and then next, exercise C, think, discuss and answer the question given below. So here question for you, discuss in class what you would do if you faced a curious situation like Alice did. Okay, here you want to write your own answers here. Okay, children, your question is what you would do if you faced a curious situation like Alice did. Okay, so write neatly. Children, write neatly all the exercises. Okay, we will see in our next video. Thank you.